Are you thinking of grabbing a stylish deal from easelush.com because of their eye-catching prices and trendy clothing? Hold that thought, because what looks like a fashion jackpot might actually be a risky gamble. easelush.com is a newly launched online store that offers women's fashion items like dresses, skirts, tops, and outerwear at unbelievably low prices, often too good to be true. At first glance, everything looks polished, but when you dig deeper, the cracks start to show. One of the biggest red flags is that a reverse image search reveals many of their product photos are copied from other well-known fashion websites, which strongly suggests the site may not have original inventory or even deliver what they promise. The domain was only registered recently on January 17, 2025, giving it zero track record or trustworthiness. New websites like this often disappear just as quickly as they appear. On top of that, the site offers no real contact information, no business address, no customer service phone number, and just a generic contact form that may or may not work. There's also a complete lack of transparency about who owns or runs the website, which makes it impossible to verify if you're dealing with a legitimate company. And here's the most concerning part: there are no genuine customer reviews anywhere online, not on Trustpilot, not on Reddit, not even on social media. In today's world, a brand with zero customer feedback is a huge red flag. While we can't definitively say easelush.com is a scam, the overwhelming number of warning signs, from the copied images to the lack of transparency and social proof, make it extremely hard to trust. It might be wise to think twice before entering your card details on a site that shows all the classic signs of being set up to take your money without delivering anything in return.